Once again, Moleni, hi guys, and Bonani. Boost your skills with HP Live free online courses with over 30 interactive courses in business, digital skills, entrepreneurship, and personal development. You can learn at your own pace. Some popular courses include social media marketing, business plan development, financial basic for entrepreneurs, web development basics, IT tools for small business, digital productivity, design thinking, growth strategies for startups, building customer loyalty, effective communication, leadership, teamwork, problem solving skills. But most preferable course is how to start a business. It teaches us more about entrepreneurship and like how to make a business plan. So, guys, download the app now and start learning. You can learn both online and offline, get a free certificate upon completion, and enhance the family business of what you learn. Just for tasty vibes, please like, comment below in the comment section, and subscribe to follow for more. Thank you.